Courage is known as people who are willing to speak out in situations that may make them feel uncomfortable. You have to be able to step out of your comfort zone. Courage does not mean that you aren't afraid. It means that you don't let that fear stop you from your goals.
Communication. Communication is a key skill needed by all leaders. Those who are willing to communicate and listen to the thoughts and ideas of others have the power to make real change. Change starts with the moving of lips and words with the power to make a difference. Communication also sparks inspiration and others to lead with just a few small words.
Integrity. Integrity is one of the most important principles of leadership. Integrity is having strong moral values and always being honest. It is very important to show integrity because it instills trust in others and motivates them to do the right things. A leader who shows integrity will always do what is right.
One of the main aspects of being a leader is how much confidence that single person has. A leader has to be willing to help and speaks out when needed. A leader with confidence knows what they want and has a vision of what they need in order to get these things done. Confidence allows the leader to express themselves and their ideas, which encourages others to do the same.
Organized. Organization is key to being a leader. One must be able to organize their time and priorities so they're best able to help others. Being organized keeps a person accountable for what they have committed to doing and helps a leader stay on track to reaching their goals.
As a leader, you have to respect the people on your team. If you don't respect people, then the overall morale of the team, it'll suffer. And the best part about respect is the fact that it can be as simple as a thumbs up.